Hey guys, Max Convexity here. Hope everyone's having a good night. Let's look at these Defiance trades for tomorrow. All right, let's start over here with Jippy. All right, so these guys sold 232 puts at the 49.75 level for nearly 23 bucks. So you take 49.75, you subtract 23, you get 52.17. All right, so that's your break even and your max profit. These guys are going for 529, which would be more than they got the other day. The vol in this one's staying pretty high. It's still about the same. In some of the other ones, I noticed the vol was dropping. Here's RUT. The vol's been dropping quite a bit in there, or that's IWMY, I should say. Here's QQQY. QQQY had really high vol last week, but it's kind of fallen off, or it's definitely fallen off. Anyway, JEPY is staying jacked for some reason, at least on these options. All right, so speaking of, well, actually, let's go to, there's the profit box. I don't know where the old profit boxes went. Maybe I erased them by mistake, or I need to restore them. Anyway, but there's the profit box for tomorrow. Here's IWMY. They sold 512 puts at 1975 level. They got $18.39. So the difference there is 1956.61. So that's the break even. In 1975, the strike price is the max profit. All right, so these guys are going for 941,000. They didn't do very well on Friday. Although they came back and got pretty close to almost winning. They were down a lot more than that. So I guess that's a moral victory on Friday. All right. Their estimate now is $1.50. 32 cents a share is the amount of extrinsic that they've earned, approximately. All right, QQQY. These guys sold 155 contracts at the 17,700 level for 95 bucks. So 95 less 17,700 equals 17,605. So we at least need 605, preferably 700 or above. So it's $1.4 million that they're going for 55 basis points. You can see their vol's fallen off a little bit. They've had three nice back-to-back 100% winners, though. That's really awesome there. They got out of the hole. They're up positive now, 3 cents a share. That sucked, losing 29 cents on the first day of the month. 90% estimate's still looking good. Extrinsic per share, 19 cents. All right, let's look here at all right, Tress is short this strangle right here, the 93 for February 9th. So the put side is only going for 8 cents. The call side is going for $3.35. All right, so I put $3.35 there and 8 there. Then I just need to get the prices of the other wings. So they're also 2 weeks later. Or 1 week later. This is an interesting trade. I think it's 1 week later. Let's look at the, let me look here, I forgot. I was monitoring this in Option Strat, but for some reason Option Strat lost the position and doesn't even have a TLT. I can't even look at TLT in Option Strat. I don't know if they stopped getting data from TLT. I don't know. It's obviously some kind of problem, so I'm having to just figure it manually here. But 23rd, okay, the 9th and the 23rd. Okay, we can still do this. So we have to go here in Option Strat to the 23rd. And then they have the 94 call and the 92 put. So here's 94. So we'll look at the call first. Calls are on the left side. So it's 292 for the 94 call. So they aren't making near as much as they were the other day. That call was worth $4.70 the other day and $3.10 the day before that. So they also have the 92 put. So we need to go find 92 and then go to the right for the put price is 22 cents. All right. So then when we add this up, all right, looking over here at Tress High Yield, they're still up 17,000. They were up 57 the other day, 10 the day before that, 10 the day before that. They're making 14 cents a share. I'm sure they're going to roll this thing out pretty soon. The first, it's a calendar spread, and the first leg of the spread, or the near leg that expires soon, is expiring on Friday. I doubt they'll just let it go to expiration. I would think sometime this week they roll it out and reestablish a different calendar spread, maybe for 2 more weeks in the future or something. We'll see. I'm going to watch it like a hawk. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's look at futures real quick. Let's see how we're trading. NASDAQ down a 1/4 point, S&P down a 1/4 point, 10-year up a point, Russell down a 1/2 point. Looking mixed to weak right now. All right, I'll be back in the morning, guys. We'll see how these things open up. Have a good one.